Did you manage to see this footage?
I did not.
You haven't?
No.
Oh, this was a couple of days ago.
On April Fool's Day.
Flying through Giga Berlin with drones, and it's very cool.
The trouble with April Fool's Day is that even when regular stuff happens on that day, you're skeptical of it. Like, this is probably...
This is not CG, obviously.
No, I know. There's no April Fools about it, but you're skeptical of everything. Oh, this is cool. I like these indoor shots are...
It's kind of like
sick.
Apple's, you know, their conferences.
This is that mini drone that he was dancing in front of.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow, nice precision with the flying. Coming through the... That's risky.
Oh, yeah.
That's risky
Very
stuff.
cool.
There's so many places to get pinched.
Mm-hmm.
And the thing is, never mind the drone. You screw up the drone, but you screw up one of these big automated...
Yeah, and there's cool music and stuff. I don't want to play it, but...
Making cars is just unbelievable.
Yeah, you get to see the whole... Pretty much the whole thing.
The scale of these buildings. There's like, what is that? Molten something or other. And so automated. So many little robots, all types of personality in here.
Uh-huh.
We haven't seen how many people... We've been through this whole thing. How many people have we seen at this point?
Yeah,
2?
They're just kind of managing the machines. As you can see, like, there's many arms.
Mm-hmm.
But obviously...
Look at
this. This is really cool.
This is the best part so far. What is this?
And he's
like welding?
That pilot's just flying through all these cars.
Let's go.
That's being constructed.
Sick. Oh, here we go. Okay, so now that we're onto the further assembly steps, you start to see people showing up for probably interior stuff. Is this one going to get painted?
Paint, yeah.
Oh, I like this. This is going to be nice. Damn. It's like, what is this? Some sort of wash that happens first?
Maybe.
We got more people here in the paint shop. Definitely a lot more people. That's where they're going to be rolling out those new colors now. Probably you get one of these exotic colors. It might come from the Berlin factory or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just such enormous facilities that they're like little cities. Because these, I mean, they try to make it as efficient as possible. And state-of-the-art stuff over here.
And from start to finish, you get to see
that
how the cars roll out.
That final portion is cool. They only make black ones there, or what's going on? Are the first bunch all black? That little final tunnel is pretty cool. They make their
every car goes through that.
Their last journey, and that's where he was dancing. Was at that tunnel, and people said the drone footage of that was pretty good as well. But yeah, because so it must be a really small drone, but yet it was very capable and
very
stable and with good video quality. So I'm quite curious about which drone was used. Does it tell us? No, it doesn't even. They keep it a secret. Tesla makes the best commercials without making car commercials. Yeah, that's what people want to see. That's very intriguing stuff. 64,000 thumbs up, only 358 thumbs down, 1.2 million views on April Fool's. That's the only problematic part. It's posted on April Fool's, but I like this video, Will. You found a video that I like.
Yeah, very cool.